Hi everyone, I welcome you back to this our course on Complete Python Bootcamp for Data Science. So in this module we will see what are the different Python data types available to us, and then Python data structures and how we can declare a variable, and the last we will be starting with the integers, float and string. So first I will show you this broader categorization of the data types in Python, and it is majorly divided into numeric, dictionary, boolean, set, and the sequence type. And if I go to the next slide, I can show you that the basic data structures, like the Python, what Python is known for, is these four data structure: list, tuples, dictionary, and the sets that we have in our mathematics. All that set theory is here in the Python as a data structure called sets. So all other dictionary, list, and tuple are special type of data structures that comprises these data types. Like all the numeric values can be associated with the dictionary, can be associated with a tuple, or can be associated with a list. And we'll see each one of them in our detailed course. So the numeric data type is divided into integer, float, and the complex number. Integer is nothing but your integer values like 1, 2, 3, 4, the numbers. The float values are the decimal numbers like 4.4, 2.8 that has a decimal value associated with it, and the complex number that are associated with the value of iota in the complex number theory. And if we talk about the sequence type, they are divided into the string. String is nothing but the name, the color name that is represented as a string. The other type is the list. As we have said, list can also comprise of any string or integer. And the last one data structure we have is the tuple.